Reno. And the pitch. Fastball for a called strike. The 0-1. That is outside for a ball. Guy on the play. As Johnson swings and foul tips it. And the reason is there's only one. And the 1-2 now to Bryce Johnson is taken inside, 2-2. And his pitch in. Inside on Johnson, a switch hitter batting right, and it hits him on the back foot. The Chihuahuas get it on the pitch. Outside for a ball. Lynn delivers. That's low. 1-1 strike. And the pitch in. The swing and a ground ball slowly hit to second base. Amaya fields it, tries for the out at second, gets it, and does not get it on the relay throw to first. And Reno's attempt for a double play. As Rodriguez on the pitch. That's low. 1 no strikes. 9th win in the last 11 games. 1-0 is a fastball for a called strike. 1-1. McCoy swings and misses. Jace Bowen, Samad Taylor, Nick Solak, Will Wagner stand in the final few games then. Mason swings and grounds one foul.
Especially with everyone that's been going up.
As Mason hits a foul ball out of play. Johnson, who have recently joined the team. 1-2. Foul ball to the screen. Dylan Grego had a big game last night and also played well in Round Rock, another addition. Likewise for Nick Prado. So that's a part of it as well, is that the new players are picking up. Lynn delivers. Outside, back in by Serta. 2 balls and 2 strikes.
Well, and in the last homestand here.
The 2-2, runner at first goes, swinging a line drive, left field for a base hit. Rodriguez puts on the brakes after a turn around second. And Mason McCoy is 1 for 1. Pitch now to Marcos Castañon, taken for a called strike. Looks at second now, delivers, swinging a ground ball to the first baseman. Locklear picks it up. His only play is at first. Castañon reaching for a pitch well outside. At the pitch. Fastball low for ball 1. 1-0 here to Nick Prado. Swinging a foul ball back to the screen. And the pitch. Swinging a ground ball. It's up the middle, but Fernandez, the shortstop, fields it and throws from behind second in time to retire the side. Dorgan, El Paso's third baseman. That's a called strike. And the pitch. Outside. 1 strike. On 1-1. Low, 2-1. They're 1 through 9. And a swing and a line drive into right field for a hit. So Clay Dungan came in with outstanding numbers against Reno. And he's 1 for 1 tonight. On the pitch. Schnell squares and bunts it. Third base side. It's a good one. Picked up by Urias. Throw to first base is in time. Dungan advances.
Someone who's doing pretty well lately, being unselfish.
And Nate Mondu waves and misses. The 0-1. Swinging a lofting foul fly ball over the net. And the 0-2. Low and in. 1 ball and 2 strikes. Is 1-2. Outside for a ball. Throw down to second base and back in standing is Dungan. And the pitch. Swinging a foul ball out of play to the left. And the 2-2. Inside. 3-2. Now the payoff pitch. In there for a called third strike. Lynn on 3-2. Here's the set. And the toss in. A fastball swinging a ground ball to the first baseman. Locklear backhands it. Underhand toss. Lynn's got it. Steps on the bag in time. No runs, 1 hit, no errors, and 1 left on base. Chihuahuas down 2-0. Bryce Johnson batting. And he takes the ball low. 1-0. And the 1-0. That's a called strike. On the pitch. Check swing grounder on the first base side. This is fair. Picked up with the bare hand by the pitcher Lynn, who underhands to first in time. An accidental ground out by tonight. The pitch. Outside for a ball. 1-0. Swinging a ground ball up the middle, but the shortstop Fernandez is there. And he throws out Rodriguez. For the second time. And the pitch. Fastball low. 1 ball and no strikes. on Mason. Reno. The pitch. Swinging a fly ball. It's in right. Vukovic running toward the line. Now stops and hauls it in to retire the side. So the Chihuahuas are down 1-2-3 in the bottom.
As Castañon digs in. First pitch taking for a called strike. The 0-1 from Lynn, and he got him to swing and miss. These two teams. The 0-2. Swung on and lined out into center field. Waldschmidt moves over, and he makes the catch on a line for out number one. The Chihuahuas were playing the Round Rock Express as he takes already 2 homers as a Chihuahua. A 1 pitch, swinging and lifts it out to deep left field. Tawa moves back, and he makes the catch for out number 2.
Yeah, the Chihuahuas in their history dating back to 2004.
At least it's easy for a couple of days. You can try to get everything sorted to make that move.
Becky was on the video board.
The 0-1 from Lynn catches the inside corner. No balls and 2 strikes. Motions, a whirlwind for the mind. Lynn's 0-2 misses at the top of the strike zone for ball 1.
Kevin's a really nice, approachable guy who's now on the Padres Major League coaching staff as their catching coach.
The 1-2. Dungan takes a swing and retired each of the last 8 Chihuahuas batters. And make that 9. Got Dungan looking at a sinker on the outside corner. That's strikeout number 2. And a 3-up, 3-down 4th inning for hitting outfielder digs in. The first pitch from Lynn taken outside for ball 1. As JP Sears was knocked out of this game and Yeager came in to pitch in relief. Lynn finds that so long have to get back up and try to have a shutdown inning as well. That's exactly what Reno would like to see, as it's now 2. Jump on Lynn. High chopper out towards second. Amaya draws it up and throws on to first for the first out. First pitch to Mondu is called a strike. Eddie. Now 1 check swing, but the pitch is way in bottom part of the zone. 1-1 swung on and missed. Back to the sweeper. That's paw. The 1-2. Outside for a ball. 2-2 pitch. Up and in. Ball 3. And the first of this series. High fly ball out towards right center field. Moving back is Waldschmidt. He looks up and it's out of here. Nate Mondu with his 5th homer of the season. He takes Lynn Yard and he gets the Chihuahuas on the board here in the 5th.
A low pitch at the very base of the strike zone and
in right center. First pitch to Anthony Villar called a strike. RBIs here in 2026. There's a nasty 0-2 pitch, slapped the other way out towards left. Tawa moving towards the line and he makes the catch for the second out. First pitch from Lynn. This is up and in for a ball. A double, a walk, stolen base, and 2 runs batted in. Lynn misses arms. There's a strike that time. Way back into the count. 2-1. Outside. Diggs for really teaching him how to be a switch hitter. That time Johnson draws the walk, so a 2-out base runner for El Paso. Yeah, we are in danger. First pitch misses outside for ball 1. Well, 8 with a home run and 21 RBIs. Outside for ball 2. Sort of has Carrig had it for the Albuquerque Isotopes as Lynn finds runner at first and Bryce Johnson after the 2-out walk. Called a strike on the outside corner. 2 balls, 2 strikes, 2 gone for El Paso. The pitch. A slow looper out into shallow left field, dropping fast, but incoming is Tawa, and he makes the catch to retire. Pitch, and that was the homer to Mondu. Outside, 2 balls and no strikes in 2/3 of an inning. A line drive snagged in the air by Arias at third. Chance for Marcos Castañon. Lynn misses outside. Center. 1-0, a half swing, and it's out in front of home plate. The catcher, Serta, up with it, and the throw in time to Locklear it safely in 6 straight games with El Paso. First pitch called a strike. back in December of 2021 when he was just 18 years old. Prado lines one out deep toward center. Waldschmidt steps in at first and moves back to make the catch for out number 3. A 3-up, 3-down inning once again for Lynn. So we head to the 7th. El Paso trails 8-1 here on 600.